When you go to past, you know who you are in the past. When you are in present, you know who you are in present. But you you have to decide whether you should be in past or present, which is more important and how much important.
Past, present, and future. That is what is our life is.
Yes.
So there are only three things in our life: past, present, future. Past cannot be changed. That is an experience. Nobody can change it now. It is already gone. So past cannot be changed now. There is a grave. Future. Many of us try to predict future. They want to be happy in future. Of course, that is good. You can predict future. You can plan for the future. You can have a design for the future. But overthinking about the future is not good. Or overthinking about the past is also not good. Because truly life means only current moment. Even past was earlier, present moment only, current moment only. Even future which is going to be as present moment only. There is no question of future or there is no question of past separately. Everything is finally present moment. There is now. You may learn certain things from past, certain lessons which are useful, and leave it, whatever it may be. It may be good or bad. We need not too much worry about past. You can have lot of plans about the future, but without implementing. So, if you wanted to take your future into your hands, you have to implement whatever the plans you have towards your future in the current moment, that is now only. If you cannot implement, if you cannot practice, if you cannot work in the current moment, nothing is going to happen. You may predict future, but there is no guarantee. If you work in the current moment for future, there is every chance that your future will be as you like. There is every chance. Probability will be more. There is every chance that your life in future will be in your hands. There is every chance if you work in the current moment. So the most precious time in this entire life is present moment only, current moment only. If you are happy in the current moment, if you are comfortable, if you are peaceful, if you are confident in the current moment, there is every chance that this can be carried to the future. There is every chance. If you are not happy in the current moment, if you are not comfortable, if you are not working, if you are not doing anything in this current moment, and if you are wasting time, you may relax, that is different story. You may do meditation, that is different story. If you are using your time for unnecessary things, which is not required actually, then there is very less chance of future taking into hands. Probability will be very less. So, final conclusion, what we have to take from this thing is, you can take lessons, that is very good. You may plan for future, that is also well and good, but live in the current moment. Living in the current moment completely, with focus, with happiness, with confidence, is the right way of life. If you are happy here, if you are confident, and if you are complete here, entire life, it will be just a reflection, a duplication of the current moment. That's all, nothing else. So 100% important thing is right now only. Current moment only. So let us take care of this current moment. Take hold of this and work for ourselves. Whatever the sadhanas requires, whatever the practices have to be done, let us do it now and be happy and be confident, be comfortable entire life. Thank you, madam, for asking the question.
Please thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button if you not yet.